Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your RV awning fabric. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a sturdy ladder, a power drill, and an awl. Make sure you have the correct replacement fabric, specifically designed for your awning model. It's also highly recommended to have a second person assist you for safety and ease throughout the entire process. Proper preparation makes the job much smoother. Now, let's remove the old fabric. Extend your awning about 1 foot and secure the head assemblies on each side, perhaps with zip ties. Next, remove the polycord screws located about 1 inch from the fabric on both sides. Then, detach the roller tube from the head assemblies and carefully slide the old fabric out of the channels. Having a helper makes this step much easier and safer. With the old fabric removed, it's time for the new one. First, lubricate the fabric track with a silicone spray to ensure the new fabric slides in smoothly. Carefully feed the new fabric into the roller tube and the awning rail channels. Make sure the fabric is centered and evenly distributed along the tube. Finally, reattach the end caps and secure all screws to hold the fabric firmly in place. With the new fabric installed, retract and extend your awning a few times to ensure it operates smoothly and is properly aligned. For long-lasting beauty, clean your new fabric regularly using a mild soap and water solution. This simple maintenance helps prevent mildew and keeps it looking great. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals and resources to help you with your RV projects. Enjoy your refreshed awning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.